Hey everybody, how you all doing? Are you okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. And your girl, Debbie from down a yard. Welcome you all. My new, my old subscribers. Welcome to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome to the Jamaican cooking journey. Now today I want to do for you a finger food. This is a finger food meal. I want to do for you Barbie fried chicken wings. Barbie fried chicken wings. Now right here I have 5 pounds of chicken wings. And what I've done, I've washed them, nipped them. When I say nip, that means I took off all the little points. I have some that are as big as this. So what I do, I just save back this one. They have been soaked in vinegar, washed. So you use your sear, your kitchen sear, or whatever. You have other gadgets. So we cut it in 2 right here. And you take off this little point here. Yes. That's what we call nipping. And you take off this other little one here. That's what I do. So those that are smaller, we don't cut them in 2. Okay? And you proceed while you're washing to run your hands along all these points to see the wings. They have a tendency to carry extra feathers, even though they have been cleaned. So you run your hands along there and you do all of that, okay? Now, we want to give them a little tot. We want to try to get off some of this excess moisture. So what I'm going to do now is proceed to season. So what I'm going to season with right here, I am going to start, where is my, okay y'all, by grating off 1 medium onion. And you know how I do my thing already. Okay y'all, and we're not going to head it out anything. We're just going to do it as the regular, because I'm not showing you how to do these wings. I'm teaching you how I do it. And I know you would probably love to do it. And these are perfect like for like a Christmas tree lighting. You know, the family come over and everybody want to put on their specific ornaments. Or like a Christmas Eve like dinner, baby shower, finger food. This is a perfect idea for just a few occasions. Just a few of the occasions. A lot of occasions, but just a few like what I need. And I told you, while grating, some of these might come like this, but you don't throw it out. You proceed to leave it because it helps in the marinating of the meat. So, we have 4 pegs of garlic, not that small. Only 1 is small. Whoops, we got 1 whole family. So, we just have to work with the 3. Okay. 1 decide never to go with us. We have a chunk of ginger here. Remember, I have 5 pounds of chicken wing. So I'm going to grate all this ginger. You know, barbecue and ginger, it goes well. So we're going to grate all that. And I hope you're all in. And all of that. I've washed my ginger with my little vegetable brush and stuff. If you want to scrape yours, but I don't. Okay? So that's it. I'm going to give my hands a little teeny washing. I'm going to put in some salt, and that is about a tablespoon. When we marinate, when we rub up, we'll know if we need more. I'm going to put in a little black pepper, not a lot. This is about less than half a teaspoon. Okay y'all? And I'm going to put in some here celery powder, and I'm gonna put in about, celery has a nice flavor, so I'm gonna put in about like 3/4 of a tablespoon of celery powder, and I think this should do the job. So now you're gonna put on your gloves. Try not to use the use the other ones. Do not use, we're gonna massage in these. Don't use the latex gloves. There are some other ones that is of less, I think you know them. They are thinner, more like on the paper side. Do not use the latex ones. I don't think it's, I wouldn't suggest you use the latex. So there are some other ones that they use in foods. So we are rubbing up these babies, and now that you're rubbing them, you You want to give a little tot, as I always show you, to taste for your salt perfection, and mine is good. So we're going to continue rubbing. Okay, y'all? Because you're going to leave them to marinate for a good 2 or 2.5 hours. Now, you're going to get yourself a large bag. It doesn't have to be Ziploc. As long as it's a clean bag that can be closed. So you want to get yourself a large bag. Whether it be a Ziploc, as long as it's clean. And we're going to put them inside here. Okay, y'all? And I hope you're all healed. If you're using less chicken wings, you know, you'd use less of what I use to season. If you're using more chicken wings, you'd proceed to use a little more. Okay, y'all? So we're gonna get all of this thing inside here, y'all. We ain't gonna leave anything out. Okay. So we're gonna get a little rinse of our hands right here. To this now, you're gonna add about a tablespoon and a half of apple cider vinegar. Make sure that your bag is not leaking, and I hope mine is not. So you're gonna seal your bag. Are you in, camera girl? And I hope camera girl is in. And if camera girl is in, I want you all to be in. Okay, so we're gonna seal our bag. We're gonna, you know, we want it to get some of this apple cider in it. Okay, you're gonna fold, make sure it's properly sealed. Yes, I've used mine so many times, so maybe it's getting a bit tired. We're gonna leave it like that, let out the excess hair, and you're gonna proceed to put this in the bottom of your refrigerator for 2 to 2.5 hours. Okay, y'all?